Hello guys and welcome to Amulya's Academy YouTube channel. We were discussing about graph data structure and today in this tutorial we'll discuss about different types of graphs. Graphs can be divided into different parts based on different factors. The first factor here we are discussing about is direction of edge. If in a graph all the edges are directed, if the direction of edge is mentioned, then that graph is called as directed graph. If the direction is not mentioned, then that graph is called as undirected graph. So based on the direction of the edge, we have two types in graph. First one is directed graph, another one is undirected graph. An undirected graph is a graph in which all the edges are bidirectional. That is, the edges do not point in any specific direction. A directed graph is a graph in which all the edges are unidirectional. It is pointing to a particular direction. If edges are pointing to a specific direction, then that is called as directed graph. If edges doesn't have any direction on them, then that graph is called as undirected graph. Okay, let's see an example. First, we have this graph. Here we can see edges are not directed. Here we can't see any direction on the edge. So here edges are bidirectional. That means it is an undirected graph. Here there is an edge from A to C as well as C to A, C to E, E to C. The edges are bidirectional here. But in this example here you can see edges are directed. Here we have an edge from B to A, but we don't have any edge from A to B. You can see here, right? Here edges are pointing to a specific direction. So that's why this is called as directed graph. I hope now you are clear with the undirected graph and directed graph. In the directed graph, you can see the direction on the edge. And in the undirected graph, edges are bidirectional. And here you can see set of vertices and edges. Alright. Next, let's talk about the next factor which divides the graph into different parts is weight. So based on this factor, we can divide the graph into two parts. One is weighted graph, another one is unweighted graph. In the weighted graph, each edge is assigned with the cost or weight. This weight can be anything like length, cost or distance. It can be anything. If edges have a value, then that graph is called as weighted graph. And if edges doesn't have any value, then that is unweighted graph. So let's see an example. In this graph, edges doesn't have any value. So this is an unweighted graph. Also this is an unidirectional graph. But here we can see in this graph, we can see value on edge. Each edge have its own value. It is the cost or weight of the edge. So this is an weighted graph. So now if we are finding the path from B to E, okay, we can have multiple paths here. And you can calculate the cost also. For example, from B to E, the cost is 2. If I take another path like this, then 10 plus 3, that is 13 plus 4, 17. This cost is 17. Alright, so this is about the weighted and unweighted graph. The next type of graph is, we can divide the graph into different parts based on whether the graph contains cycle or not. If the graph contains cycle, then that is called as cyclic graph. If it doesn't have any cycle in the graph, then that graph is called as acyclic graph. A graph is cyclic if the graph contains a path that starts from a vertex and ends at the same vertex. That is called as cycle. If graph contains a cycle, then that graph is called as cyclic graph. If it doesn't, then that is called as acyclic graph. So let's take an example. So here we can see in this graph, if I start from here, B, A, D, B. So there is a cycle, right? So this is a cyclic graph. If I see this graph, B, A, C, E, B. Here we have a path that starts from a vertex and ends at the same vertex, right? That's why this is called as cycle and this graph is called as cyclic graph. Now in the previous tutorial, I told you tree is also a graph and tree is an acyclic graph because we can't form a cycle in tree, right? That's why tree is an acyclic graph. So here I'll show you an example. This is an acyclic graph. Based on different factors, we divided the graph into different parts. One is based on the direction. If every edge of a graph contains the direction, then that graph is called as directed graph. If it is not, then that is called as undirected graph. If every edge of the graph doesn't have any direction, if it is bidirectional, then that graph is called as undirected graph. And based on the weight, if every edge of a graph has value, then that is called as weighted graph. If it doesn't has value, then that is called as unweighted graph. And also, if graph contains the cycle, then that graph is called as cyclic graph. If it doesn't, then that is called as acyclic graph. And tree is a acyclic graph. Okay, so this is about the different types of graph. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.